Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Hume Health Body Pod review. So, you might be wondering what is the body pod that you may be hearing online. Well, the body pod here is a smart body composition scale using multi-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis, or BIA, with eight sensors here to measure more than 45 health metrics beyond just weight. Now, figures like body fat percentage, visceral fat, muscle mass, bone density, water content, and metabolic age, rather than measuring only through the feet like most standard scales here. It also includes a detachable handle sensor for a segmental scan across the torso, arms, and legs. It pairs with the Hume Health app over Bluetooth and supports up to 24 individual users' profiles on one device. Now, in this case, how do you set this up? So first things first is you want to unbox the scale and its detachable handle, charge the internal battery via the included USB cable. So a full charge is listed as lasting roughly a year of typical use. Then download the free Hume Health app and pair it via Bluetooth, entering height, age, and enter to establish a baseline profile. Now, how do you use this? Now, you want to place the body pod on a hard, flat surface. Carpet interferes with accuracy, so take that in mind. Step onto the platform barefoot. Hold the detachable handle sensors firmly with both hands. Stand still until the scan completes. And the site lists this as taking under about 60 to about 90 seconds. Results sync automatically to the app, showing trends and details breakdowns over time. And the BIA technology sends a very low electrical current through the body. Now, the maker advises against use for anyone with an implanted cardiac device placed before 1992. Now, they recommends consulting a doctor first during pregnancy, since body composition readings can fluctuate significantly in that case. Now, when it comes to the pricing itself, the body pod is listed at around $299, discounted from the $352 list price in some promotions. So, with the companion app free for basic weigh-ins and metric tracking, an optional Hume Plus Pro subscription unlocks AI-powered coaching and meal and workout plans, a weekly help report for $9.99 a month with no long-term commitment, and a 10-day trial period is offered on some site pages, along with a stated return or refund option if the device isn't kept. But that's about it. It's a fun video for you to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.